everybody, I hope you're doing great. For today, I decided to do this little fun video for you guys because lately I've been really struggling to feel cute and confident because, it's super cold outside. I can't wear my super cute crop tops and mini skirts. So yeah, it's been kind of hard for me to feel beautiful, and I feel like I can't be the only one. So yeah, I've put together 5 outfits on which I will demonstrate some of my favorite tips for winter, and hopefully that will help you to still feel powerful and confident in the winter time. So yeah, so my first most helpful hack that I use all the time and that I already mentioned a bunch of times on my channel is to put sweaters or like turtlenecks, basically anything that you want, over your summer dresses. Here I am wearing just like a simple, very light bodycon dress that goes to my knees, and I put this little cropped turtleneck over it, and yeah, now it's warm. Now I can wear it in the winter, and I literally didn't put any effort into the outfit and it still looked like I, really thought about what I was gonna wear. This is how it looks with a coat and a beanie and a scarf so I don't freeze to death. I literally put this outfit together in like less than 5 minutes, and look how cute I look. So yeah, I really do recommend this one. For the next outfit, we're gonna start off by creating this blank canvas. I just put on my favorite jeans. It doesn't have to be jeans, but like, just your favorite pairs of pants. Then you're just gonna put on some boots. Again, doesn't really matter which ones. And then the most important part is having a white tank top or black. As long as it's a solid color, it's okay. What this does is that you already look cute and you feel confident. However, you're probably gonna feel cold because it's winter, obviously. So what I do is that I literally wear this outfit 4 times a week. Like, I swear to God, I wear this outfit all the time, and I just play around with the top layers. Like sometimes I put a blazer on, sometimes like a little cardigan, sometimes a shirt or a little funky cropped cardigan, or a flannel. Like, it literally doesn't matter, but as long as you keep playing around with the top layers, it will give the illusion that you created a whole new outfit, even though you're just, playing around with the top layers. So yeah, this is like one of my favorite hacks. I literally use this every week because I'm so lazy and tired in the morning to put together a cute outfit. So this is what I do, and yeah, I find this very useful. So I hope you will too. The next outfit is kind of based on the same idea as the first outfit. I'm again starting off with this little cute summer dress, which is very not winter-like. But yeah, I just love the little lacy detailing. You can't really see it on camera, but yeah, it's very cute, very dainty. And I'm also super cold in it, so that's why I added the tights and I put this little chunky black turtleneck over it. To make it cropped, I kind of like tucked it in and then I tied it using a hair tie. There's tons of ways you can kind of like fake crop a sweater. You can belt it or tuck it into your bra. But yeah, this is just like the easiest way, so that's why I'm doing it here. And then again, as you can see, this is kind of a very basic outfit. So to make it look like we, put a lot of thought into it, I'm gonna add knee-high boots. Knee-high boots just make everything seem super duper cute, and like you really give your outfit some thought even though you just put some boots on. So yeah, and that's another hack that I recommend, is just investing in some knee-high boots, because I feel like they just spice up every basic outfit. Also, they're perfect for winter because they make your legs warm. This is how it looks with a coat. I also put my scarf on again and my school bag. Yes, if you're wondering, this is my school bag. I just don't really need a backpack. I can fit into this bag everything I need for school. So yeah, don't laugh at me. Okay, the next tip is literally like my favorite go-to tip when I have nothing to wear, and that is just to go monochrome. Just choose a color and dedicate the whole outfit to that color. Here I chose blue. I chose these super fun flowy trousers. Obviously, if you're doing blue, you can just put on some blue jeans and a blue tank top or something and you'll be good to go. I'm really proud of finding these pants, so I needed to show them in this video. But yeah, I paired them with this cropped shirt. It also has some green in it, but that doesn't matter. It's, it's kind of blue. And yeah, again, I paired it with my school bag, my platform docs. And yeah, this is how it looks with a coat. I went for this like bluish scarf too, so that it ties in together the outfit, and a beanie so I don't freeze to death. So yeah, if you have nothing to wear, just go monochrome, keep it very simple, and just stick to one color and you're gonna look cute and it's gonna be good. So yeah, The next tip that I have for you guys is just to invest in like a good sweater dress or a turtleneck dress. Here I have both sweater dress and a turtleneck dress because this is made from a knit material. When it's winter, these dresses are my go-to outfits. Like, they just are super, super comfortable. They make you look super chic, and it's literally, you know, like one piece of clothing. So you just throw them on. You don't have to think about what top or what pants you're gonna pair them with. You just have a whole outfit put together. Plus they're made from like a knit sweater material, so you're staying warm. I just don't have the words to explain how good it is to have like a good fitting turtleneck or a sweater dress for winter. I actually have 3 of these. I have a gray one and a beige one, plus this one, which is a black one. Also, if you feel like you should like spice it up, you can obviously again put a sweater over it, as I showed with the other 2 previous dresses. But yeah, honestly, I just prefer this dress on its own. So yeah, that's my first tip. Just invest in like a good winter dress. And then I also wanted to show you this like DIY balaclava hack, because balaclavas have been everywhere. It's like a super big trend right now. However, I do understand that not everybody wants to invest in it. Personally, I don't really want to, because I don't know how long it's gonna last. Plus, I don't really know if I will really wear it. Like, I don't know. So all you can do is grab a scarf. It doesn't have to be a big one. As you can see, I'm just using a normal short scarf. I kind of like wrapped it around my neck once, and then I kind of like tucked the excess under the wrap, and then I just like kind of put the back of the scarf on my head. God, I'm so bad at explaining things, but hopefully you can see what I mean. And yeah, there you go. You have like a DIY balaclava. And yeah, this is how it looks with the jacket. And I love this outfit. I literally put this together in less than 3 minutes, and I'm warm. I look cute. So yeah. And with that, the video is coming to an end. These were all of the hacks. I hope they will help you to dress cute and feel confident and powerful in winter, because I know that winter can be kind of soul destroying, or like yeah. So yeah, hopefully this will help you to put together outfits. But yeah, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of your day. Please make sure to check out my Instagram. I post daily outfit inspo on there, and definitely make sure to subscribe and give it a like. And that's all. So yeah, bye.